Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use scenes to edit in Descript. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is of course select the project that you would like to edit and create a scene out of. For example, this one over here, we're simply going to open our project over here, and then we're going to look through our specific video over here. Look for the specific section that you would like to turn into a scene. For example, this section over here. To be able to turn this into a scene, simply click this option over here, add scene, this dash over here, which will allow you to turn it into a scene. And as you can see here on the left side, we will have like 3 clips over here, or like 1 clip after you do the scene. This will now act like a PowerPoint wherein you can drag them over here and you will be able to rearrange them however you would like. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.